Phil, how did we even meet?
Well, it started a long time ago. Before time was time for the land. Once upon a time. Blah 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 blah.
It's been a long night, hasn't it? Bendy's gone in the hospital, and I don't even know what to do. What is that? Hello? Is anyone in there?
Hi, Georgie.
Yo! What? Whoa! Whoa! Get it! Whoa! Hello?
My head. My head.
Get the barrel off of your head! Get it off here!
there?
Take it off! Take it off!
Leave me alone. He's attacking me. He's attacking me.
I'm taking it off! There! Hey, calm down! Who are you?
What?
Who are you?
Norman.
Norman?
Norman, is that you?
No, I'm not Norman!
Where are you? You're like, where are you? I can't see you.
Are you a retard?
Norman! Norman! Wait, you're down there? Oh, there you are.
My name is El Goblino. I'm not Norman.
El Gabino?
El Goblino, not El Gabino.
El Goblino?
Okay, what is your name? What are you doing?
I got gig in my trusty dusty hat.
What are you?
Where'd you go?
I'm right here. You put on a bucket. Take that bucket off your head.
Hold up. Is it better? I'm swag. I'm swag.
You're not swag.
Yes, I am. Watch.
What is your name for the last time?
Look, I got a new... my head! Oh, okay. I got a new watch. Look how clean it is.
It's like trying to teach philosophy to a baby.
Come on. Come in my home.
Wait. Philosophy? Phil.
It has so much room.
Hey, why don't we call you Phil?
What's philosophy?
Oh, we need to get you checked out by a doctor. I think you might be retarded.
No. Norman said I was special in my own way. Meaning I'm cool.
Oh, okay, yeah, special. Yay, you're special. Okay. Phil, that's what I'm gonna call you. Your name is Phil, okay?
My name's Piliato.
Yeah, Phil.
Ew.
I want to take you to an apartment. Okay?
You should... That isn't nice. That isn't nice.
There's a long way to go to the apartment, though.
This is the place I robbed the bread from. Let's see, are they open?
What?
Give me your bread! Okay, no, they're not open. That's why I don't
Phil,
have my
what the
bread.
hell?
Whoa, this place looks abandoned. Look.
They must be celebrating like Chinese New Year or something.
This is Chinese.
Is this a homeless shelter?
This is North Korea. We better play the we better play the octopus life.
What?
We're about to play the octopus life. Drugs. Yo, Ben, let me in! Let me in! Let me in! I don't think they're open.
Phil, I think Phil, I don't think you should be having drugs.
What'd you say to me, boy?
Oh, I don't think you should be having drugs.
Your eyes look like drugs. Wait, your eyes, inside of them, it looks like a Christmas tree.
What?
Your eyes look like a Christmas tree. Anyways, where is this apartment of yours?
I don't know, I think I got lost.
Lost? Wait. Hotel? Hey, let's stay here. Let's stay here for the night.
Maybe that'd be a good idea.
Alright, let's go.
Phil?
Whoa. Why
I
do you
like-
take separate elevators?
I don't know, you're the one who went in the other one.
Dang. This must be written in some unknown mysterious language. Whoa. Bayu ko, ang gutay tao ako. Kudasin. Ang naging hungay.
Phil, that's Japanese.
Oh.
Come on.
Gay ass man.
Phil! Get over here right now!
Hear me out. Hear me out.
Give me...
No, not her. Not her. No, no, no! No! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? No, I need to show you something.
No! Phil, come on! We have to get a room key!
The man. Look at the man. Look at him. He looks like a... Stop! Short stack! Short stack! No, it looks like...
It looks like...
Norman. That looks like Norman. That looks like Norman.
That's not Norman!
Okay, fine. Fine, you want to play like that? That's it.
Phil! Phil, what are you doing? Phil! We have to get a room key still! Phil, do you want a drink to calm you down?
Yeah!
No!
Come here.
I'll get you a drink if you don't bonk me on the head. Wait.
Zero men Coca-Cola.
Is that what you want?
It says zero methane Coca-Cola. It says zero methane Coca-Cola. Here, what does this say? Is this your credit card?
No, I don't know what that is. I don't know what a credit card is.
Let's see, what does it say? Joe Biden's credit card.
Phil, we need a room key.
Zero methane Coca-Cola. I got the zero methane Coca-Cola.
Phil, where do we get room keys?
I got the zero methane Coca-Cola.
Okay, cool. Wait, I found a room key. Phil, 102.
More zero methane Coca-Cola. I'm out of money. No! What?
Phil, we have a room key. Let's go.
Let's go.
We're at room 702.
Where's that?
Right here. I used it.
Let's go in. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Mirror.
Locked.
Laptop. Whoa, this place looks way more better up here. Down there, it looked like shite.
Because this is where all the skyscrapers are. I think that's what they're called.
Skyscrapers?
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, it says our names.
That's cool. High tech. What moon?
That's a moon. Place, moon. Let me do it! It's stuck. What? How'd you do that?
Phil, I think you're just stupid. It plays music!
What is that? Fire extinguisher.
Oh,
Ah, it's stuck.
Phil, it's time to go to bed, okay?
No. Yo, my head hurts. My head hurts.
Phil, it's time to wake up! Phil! Phil! No! Oh! Phil! I'm surprised you haven't said anything yet. Okay, so we're gonna try find the apartment.
Fire!
Whoa! Whoa! Phil! No! Remember, Phil, we're out of money.
Coin. I found a coin.
I guess that is how we met, huh? Phil? Were you even listening?
What? No.
Phil, you're in the fire! I just realized!